enough to change your entire finance career. Yes, I'm talking about August 2nd, 2025. That is a day where the entire careers of finance professionals will be changed. You heard me right. Samandar Education and Becker are doing an exclusive event on innovating education where technology meets talent. What are the new latest technologies which are shaping up our accounting profession, where all the leaders from top big fours, from multinational companies, and even leaders from the US as well are coming to this event and sharing their thought processes as well. Samandar, you will also be meeting all our CPA, CMA, EA, CIA, all our top alumni as well in that event. Now, 3 reasons. First, you will be meeting all the top leaders. This is more like a networking event for you all. You'll be meeting the big 4 partners, you'll be meeting these top CFOs, you'll be meeting the US leaders, know about what is happening in the US in the space of AI, there or not there, what would happen in the future now. That would be this particular day where you will come to know each and everything. Second very important reason to attend this event is obviously in case if you're planning to do any of the professional courses and or planning your career in the US or in the Middle East or in India, learn from the alumni who have already been there. The CPA, CMA, EA, the new courses which are shaping up our profession. It was previously just chartered accountancy course. Now there are so many career options for finance students. So this is one of the platform to meet all those alumni who have been successful after doing this qualification. And third very important reason is to know what innovations are happening in the field of education, in the field of accounting profession, in the field of your own profile. How auditing, accounting, taxation, consulting are completely changing. The game is completely reversed. This event is on August 2nd at Marriott Hotel in Hyderabad from morning 9 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock. One day can change your entire finance career. And yes, most importantly, you'll have an opportunity to meet me and I can spend one full day with you all. Thank you so much.